Covering healthcare payments for your loved ones, COMESO is your global partner for seamless healthcare remittances. Visit our website and register to create a free account to access our platform. Select voucher and choose the amount of healthcare payments you want to cover. And select the payment method you prefer. We offer mobile money, credit card, debit card, and Apple Pay. Our payment method is fast and easy. Send to loved ones. Select the mobile number of your beneficiary or register their number to a COMESO wallet. Select the amount of health credit you want to send to your loved ones. Receive a notification by COMESO and rest assured that your healthcare credit will be handled with clarity and transparency. Watch out for our located health facilities and receive a notification after each successful payment. Healthcare needs covered with ease. Focus on what really matters. COMESO.